In this video, I'm going to talk about proper breathing for lifting, whether it's for work lifting or weightlifting. So a big inhale should expand in all directions, and then the exhale should draw in, because the transverse abdominis wrap around and they support your organs. And yes, beautiful. From the side, please. And exhale, and good. A nice big expansion in all directions. And then exhale, and this helps to create elasticity in those muscles, and in case of breathing incorrectly, you can change that and turn it around.